So we're given the cost function, c of x, and we want to find the marginal cost when x is 200 first. So the marginal cost is another way of saying find the derivative of the cost function, which would just be 0.0012 x squared minus 0.12x plus 190. And then we need to evaluate it when x is 200. So we're going to plug in 200 in for x. And when we do that, we get 214 as the marginal cost. Now the second part, we want to find the actual cost incurred in manufacturing the 201st television. You can think of the actual cost incurred as the change in cost going from 200 televisions to 201 televisions. So in other words, we're taking the cost for manufacturing 201 televisions and subtracting it from the cost of 200 televisions. And for that, we're going to have to plug in 201 back into the original function for x and 200 and then subtract them. So when we do that, the cost for 201 televisions is $46,014.2, and the cost for manufacturing 200 televisions is $45,800, and the difference here is 214.2. So looking at the answer choices, we have 214 as the marginal cost first. So it's either between B or C. And then the actual cost incurred is 214.2, which this really should be 214.2, but the answer choice is B.